What's up, everybody? Adam Dowd here from Benefit of a Doubt doing yet another unboxing for you. And today we have a interesting little device from Pandora. It's called the Infinicore charger. And this is a battery pack with an integrated plug plus Qi wireless charging. So we've got a USB-C port, a couple of USB-A ports. So this is an interesting device. I wanted to check it out. So let's go ahead and unbox it to start because that's what we do. The problem with using razor blades is you always cut the box. So let's open this up here. And then pull it out. Haha, European charger. So there's that, and there's that. I will never use these because I doubt we're ever going to go to a trade show again. That's not true. We will go to trade shows again, I promise you. And here it is. This is a little guy. I was actually kind of expecting something bigger. Here's the user's guide. Put that off to the side. But here is the plug itself. There's a support card, I guess, so that's fun. So here's the plug that flips out, and you can plug that just straight into the wall, very easy. And then on the front here, we've got the power button and a digital display to show you how much power is left, 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C port, plus wireless charging on the side. And that's pretty much the whole ball of wax. I like that this is a nice compact package here. Let's compare it to the blue phone that I just reviewed. So I mean, it's fairly, sorry, it's dusty. It's fairly small. You could easily fit that into a backpack or something. And yeah, just plug it straight into the wall. And I believe I read that this actually supports pass-through charging. So while this is plugged into the wall, you can plug in cables on the other side and actually charge up your devices while you're charging up the battery pack. So that's even cooler, and that's going to do it for this particular unboxing. If you have any questions about that, be sure to comment down below. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I guess that's a thing you have to do on YouTube, or at least that's what they tell me. Check out benefitofadoubt.com for more tech gadgets and goodies, and for the best news experience you are going to find in tech. Once again, I'm Adam Dowd, Dead Technology on Twitter, and I'll see you in the next video.